How to set up Google Drive in your Windows device. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can set up Google Drive. So before we start, if you guys are new to App Hacks, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let us begin. First, you will need to open up your web browser, Google most preferably. And after you're here, make sure that you're logged into your account. After you're logged into your account, you will see this Google Apps option on the top right. Tap on it. And here, if you scroll down, you should find the Drive option. Now, normally it should be here, but if it's not, it's completely fine. You can simply go to drive.com and just log in. So here, let me go to Drive. Let's search for Drive Google. And after you're here, simply open up this website. So after you're logged in into your Google account, your Drive should be ready for use. And now you can drag and drop your files here. You can, upload a folder. You can upload a file. You can create new folders. You can add your Google Documents here, your Google Sheets, your Google Slides, and many more. So yeah, it's that simple, guys. All you need to do is log in into your Google account. And after you log in into your Google account, you're basically good to go. Thanks for watching, guys. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos and bye-bye. Take care.